Hello children, welcome back to Mathematics Term 2 revision. We'll revise all the lessons in mathematics today. Okay? So the first unit is numbers. In numbers, you have to learn the multiplication tables. First thing, you have to learn the tables from 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 also. Okay? So these all tables from 2 to 5 and then 10 table you have to learn. And in numbers we'll find what are the types of multiplications we'll see. Dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm and lattice multiplication. Right? These 5 multiplications you have to learn. Okay children. Next thing we see is unit 2 patterns. And in patterns, here in second unit we'll see in term 2 patterns in even number and odd number. So you have to know what is an even number, what is an odd number. And then we'll see here addition of even numbers and subtraction of even numbers. When I ask in the exam like add the following numbers, you have to mention what is the number, that is even number or odd number. You have to mention each number. Okay? And finally the answer also you have to mention like this in the exam. Okay children? So even number plus even number we get even number. Odd number plus odd number we get even number. Odd number plus even number we get odd number. I want this in the exam. Okay, you have to write like this. So in the same way subtraction also, even number minus even number we get even number. Odd number minus odd number we get even number. Odd number minus even number we get odd number. Okay, keep this in mind. Very carefully you add and subtract and do this. Okay. The next thing is you have to find the rule and complete the table. See here nothing but you have, I'll give the question only 10, 20, 30 like this and you have to find this box, this rectangle box. Only the circle boxes I will give, circle boxes only I will write the question and in the rectangle boxes you have to write the answer. So this here 10, 20, 30 like this it came. So how after 10, 20 will come, after 20, 30 will come, how this answer came, you have to find out in this rectangle boxes. So if I add 10 plus 10, if I add 10 to this 10, I get the answer 20. Again if I add 10 to this 20, I get the answer 30. Listen very carefully, this is very important and it is very easy also. So again if I add 10 more, I'll get 40. If I add 10, I get 50. So the answer is plus 10 for everything. Okay, the same way see here 20, 200, 2000. After this you have to write the numbers. Okay, so here 20 is there. 20 if I multiply with 10, 200 will be coming. If I multiply 200 with 10 again, 2000 will be coming. If I multiply 2000 with 10, 20,000 will be coming. Again 10, 2 lakhs will be coming. Okay. Same way, nothing here. No need of confusing yourself. Just add one more 0. Into 10, 0. Into 10, 0. Everything one more 0. Here only 1 0 is there. Here 2 zeros. Here 3. Here 4 and here 5. Like that you have to add zeros. Next thing 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. So here what you have to do, how I got, here I did minus 10 for everything I did minus 10. The same way here plus 20. The same way here minus 50. This is the way you have to think and answer this. Okay children. And the third unit is measurement. Measurement. In this measurement we'll find weight. Okay. So weight and it is kg, grams and milligrams. Keep in mind grams, milligrams, kg, kilograms. Okay. So this tabular form just to make you understand, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams, that is 10 bags. 2 kg is equals to 2000 grams, that is 20 bags. Okay, 5 kg is 5050 bags according to this number. Okay, 100 grams in 1 bag means how many bags? Okay, 10 kg 10,000 grams, 100 bags. 2 kg again 2000, 20 bags. 500 grams, so 500 grams 5 bags. Okay, so after this table we'll learn one book exercise they have given, that is price of 100 grams of ice cream is 20 rupees. Ramya bought 1 kg of ice cream. So how much should she pay to the shopkeeper? So 100 grams of ice cream is 20 rupees. So 1 kg of ice cream is how much we have to find. And we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Right? 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 100 grams is 20 rupees and 1000 grams is equals to how much we have to find. So 1000 into 20 divided by 100. Already I have taught you this one, and in the Zoom class also I explained you. So I am not repeating it in a very detailed way. Just I am telling, see, 1000 into 20 divided by 100. This side number with this one into 20 by 100. Okay, this is the way we have to do. So, and again what is that? This 0 and this 0 cancel, and this 0 cancel. So 10 into 20. 10 into 20 we have to do. Okay, so 0 zeros are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. So answer is 200. Okay, like this we have to do. Okay, next. See, price of 1 kg of sugar is 50 rupees. Ranjit bought 2000 grams of sugar. Find the amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper. So 1 kg of sugar is 50 rupees. 2000 grams sugar we have to find out. 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1 kg is 50 rupees. That is 1000 grams is 50 rupees. So 2000 grams is how much? Okay, so 2000 grams is how much? So 2000 into 50 divided by 1000. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 2 into 50. So 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5 2s are 10. So 100 rupees he has to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, very easy. Next, Saranya has 3 kg of flour to be packed into the packets of 500 grams each. 3 kg flour she is having, that she has to pack into 500 grams each. Okay, so 500 grams in one packet means 3 kg flour in how many packets it will be filled. So 1 kg 1000 grams. 500 grams means half kg. So 3 kg flour in 500 each means 1 packet half kg, 2 packet 1 kg. Like that 3 kg means 3 into 2 divided by 1. 3 into 2 divided by 1. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. So in 6 packets she has to fill. Okay, understood? So the next unit is time. In time, nothing but it is very easy how to see a wall clock. Okay, you have to know that only 2 important points is that the bigger hand, that is the bigger hand is, this bigger hand is minute hand. This smaller hand is hour hand. Only that is very important to understand. Okay, so bigger hand is minute, smaller one is hour. So whatever the number here it is there, first number 9 means this small number should be on that number. That is the main thing you should learn. So 2 is there here, so the smaller hand should be on 2. 4 means 4, 8 means 8. Okay, and 0 0 means always it should be on 12. That is the main thing you will learn in this. Okay, so here also see 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1, 5, 7, 6, like this you have to know what is time, and you have to know how to place the hands of the clock. Okay children, so this is very easy lesson, only learning about clock. And the next lesson is information processing. In this lesson we will learn about maps. So routes of the map and all we will learn. So this is the map they will give, and we have to find out the routes, and we have to find out the location and all. Okay, already in the last class only I have explained you. So the next thing what you have to know is, you have to know how to draw a map of your school. So you should draw a map of your school, especially the main campus, that is the primary school campus only. Okay, not the secondary, higher secondary, only the primary school campus along with the office room and principal's room. Okay, so principal's room and office room as well as your primary classes. Okay, so you have to draw a map of your school and mark the routes to reach principal's room from your classroom. From your classroom to principal's room, how you will be going. So you should learn. Already I have given that in the WhatsApp, how to draw and all. Okay, I have drawn one just like a picture, and I have sent you in WhatsApp. Just look at it and draw a route also neatly. This also will come in the exam. Okay, see, this is another thing, another type of thing, map, in which we'll see the bus route. So here we have to suggest from which route to which route bus will go. Okay, this also I have explained in the last class. And the final thing which we will learn is here skip counting process. Okay, 10 more than 45 means here just instead of 4 plus 1 we have to add, and 55 same way 35. So less than means here minus 1. Okay, here more means plus 1, in the tens place plus 1, less means minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1, like that we have to do. Here with this we can understand for all the things plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, like that. Here minus 1. So all in ones, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, like this. Okay children, this is the way you can learn. I hope you all understood all the lessons properly. With this we have finished the second term successfully. I hope you all understood and learn well for your exams also. Okay children, write well. All the best. Thank you.